Hi everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy unboxing. We are unboxing an item I got off eBay right now. Let's see what it is. Ooh, and that's bouncing all over the place. This table is unsturdy. They sure taped it up well. It's heavier than I expected. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, we got a blower. We have screen protectors, so I think we have an idea. It might be something electronic. Oh, what? Bible? That's actually really nice. Someone sent a Bible. Cool. I don't know what this is. Oh, 2 battery chargers, 2 cords, a 3D printed battery holder. That's pretty darn cool. Let's see what this is. It's all in a bag. This is nice. I do like the Bible, the way they said the Bible. It's double bagged, whatever it is. A lens. So if there's a lens, I wonder what else is in here. We'll see. I think we'll set that aside for later. Oh, this is what makes it so heavy. A book? Huh. Cipher Millennium Edition. I'll have to see what that is. I think that wasn't included in the auction, but and here we are reaching, this is a neat little bag for it. We have a microfiber cloth, and we have another bag here. And inside the bag is a camera. That's right, we got the Fuji X2 Pro camera. So with that being said, this is pretty darn cool. So we'll have to take this out and take some pictures. Let's take a look at what we got. Won't let me flip the camera, so here is what we got.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.